Hello friends, welcome to YouTube channel. Now we already discussed in previous lecture about the rolling motion. In this class we will learn about the rolling motion over a inclined plane. So what is its velocity over inclined plane and acceleration during this rolling motion. So we will find the expression for the velocity and the acceleration. Okay. So let's start with this. So for this we require one diagram of a inclined plane. So here this inclined plane represents angle theta with the horizontal. That means it is inclined over the horizontal surface. Now one object, it is rolling from top of that surface towards the bottom of the surface. Okay. So the starting position is at the top, and during this it will perform the rolling motion because see the object, it is in the form of a circular body. Okay. So it will perform rolling motion and it will roll down towards the end of this surface. Okay. Now during this it will perform the translatory motion, or we can say the linear motion with displacement s. So s will represent the linear displacement here. Okay. Now the initial position of that object, it is represented at the top of the surface. Let this height is represented as h. So that object is placed at height h. Now that h we can find from the trigonometry. Since that triangle, below triangle, it inclined plane triangle, it will represent the right angle triangle, so we can apply the trigonometry. Theta, hypotenuse, it is s, and one side we get there, it is h. That is nothing but the perpendicular. So clearly we can find here sine theta. Okay, sine theta is equals to perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is h divided by s. So what is h? H is equals to s into sine theta. So that side I have written there, h is equals to s sine theta. So this is the expressions for this diagram. Okay. So let's start with this. Now see, whenever this object will start its motion from the top, it possesses some potential energy due to its height. Okay, we know that potential energy असते ऑब्जेक्टला जेव्हा हे कोणत्याही पोझिशन हायर पोझिशनला असेल. So it will roll down towards the lower position. That means its height goes on decreasing. So its potential energy will also decrease. Okay, because potential energy formula काय असतो mgh. So h जर decrease होत असेल तर त्याची potential energy पण decrease होणार आहे. But we know that energy is conserved. So this potential decrease in potential energy results in the increase in the kinetic energy. Means this is converting into the kinetic energy. हे तुम्ही ऑब्झर्व केलं असेल की कोणत्याही इन्क्लाइंड प्लेनवरून बॉडी जर रोल होत असेल तर इनिशियली स्लो याच्यामध्ये जाते, पण जसं जसं ते खाली येत राहणार आहे त्याची रोल होण्याची स्पीड वाढते, त्याचे वेलॉसिटी वाढलेली आपल्याला दिसून येणार आहे. मीन्स व्हॉट, हियर इन्क्रीज इन द कायनेटिक एनर्जी विल बी देअर अँड वेलॉसिटी इज रिलेटेड विथ द एनर्जी, कायनेटिक एनर्जी. सो वरून खाली येताना त्याची पोटेन्शियल एनर्जी डिक्रीज होतीये, पण त्याची कन्वर्ट होतो तो कायनेटिक एनर्जीमध्ये, म्हणून त्याची स्पीड रोलिंग मोशनमध्ये डाऊनवर्ड डायरेक्शनमध्ये जसं जसं ते जवळ येईल तसं वाढत जाते. ओके. So here we use that concept that this decrease in potential energy is converting into the increase in the kinetic energy. Okay. So first we'll find the kinetic energy for the rolling motion, and we already know that from the previous lecture that how to find this. Energy E is equals to 1/2 mv square plus 1/2 I omega square. Directly घेऊ शकतो. ओके, कारण पहिल्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण घेतलेलं आहे, बट फॉर रेफरन्स आय हॅव गिवन हिअर 2 स्टेप्स ओनली. I is equals to 1/2 mv square plus 1/2 I omega square is equals to 1/2 mv square कॉमन काढलेला होता, का तर आपण आयच्या जागेवर इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केलेला होता mk स्क्वेअर अँड ओमेगाच्या जागेवर सबस्टिट्यूट केलेलं होतं v/r. सो फ्रॉम दॅट वी विल find this step. So what is kinetic energy? 1/2 mv square into bracket 1 plus k square divided by r square. Okay, now this is the kinetic energy. Now what is potential energy? We know that it is mgh. Okay, now this potential energy gets converted into the kinetic energy. So during rolling motion the potential energy is equals to the kinetic energy, कारण तेच कन्वर्ट होऊन kinetic energy मध्ये येते. So at equilibrium both energies are equal. So we use that mgh is equals to this kinetic energy 1/2 mv square into bracket 1 plus k square divided by r square. Now solve this. Mass of the object remains same. Small m ने जरी represent केला असेल तर त्याच ऑब्जेक्टचा मास आहे. So we can cancel out this mass with both sides. Okay. Now we can solve this step to find the velocity. आपल्याला जो ह्याचा पर्पज आहे सोल्युशनचा हे लक्षात आलं पाहिजे की वी आर गोइंग टू फाइंड द वेलॉसिटी ड्युरिंग दिस रोलिंग मोशन. सो वेलॉसिटीसाठी हे सबस्टिट्यूट जे आहे तो चेंज करायचा आणि आपल्याला v इज इक्वल्स टू फाइंड आउट करायचं. सो फर्स्ट वी कॅन्सल दिस m, देन वी शिफ्ट द थिंग्स टू द अदर साइड. 2gh इथला 1/2चा 2 जो आहे तो इकडे शिफ्ट केला 2gh. त्यानंतर v स्क्वेअर तसंच ठेवलेलं आहे. तर टोटल ब्रॅकेट it will come towards the downward side in the denominator 1 plus k square by r square. So what is v square? 2gh divided by in the bracket 1 plus k square by r square. So what is v then? It is square root of the total term. So directly मी square root वाली term दाखवली इथं. v is equals to square root of 2gh divided by 1 in the bracket 1 plus k square by r square. This represents the velocity during this rolling motion on an incline. Okay. So now we will find the acceleration. So for that we will use the third equation of motion. What is that? V square is equals to u square plus 2s. So for that, what is s here? First we will start with the s. S linear displacement. S is equals to h divided by sin theta. हे आपण डायग्राम मध्ये ज्यावेळेस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज केलेली तेव्हाच काढू शकतो. S is equals to h upon sin theta. The next concept here, it will be at height, means at the initial position the velocity of the object is 0. Okay, at the starting position the start velocity means initial velocity u is 0 for this object. So u is 0. v आता आपण जस्ट फाइंड आउट केलेला होता स्क्वेअर रूट वाली टर्म, दॅट इज द फायनल वेलोसिटी v. ओके, s फ्रॉम दिस प्रीवियस स्लाइड इट इज h अपॉन sin theta. So we use in this equation third equation of motion v square is equals to u square plus 2s. From that find e. Okay, so here are the steps. As u square 0 है, so directly v square is equals to 2as येते. So we are going to find a. So 2as term I have taken at the LHS. 2as is equals to v square. 2a s च्या जागेवर ठेवला h upon sin theta is equals to v square ची टर्म जी आहे ती आपण इथे सबस्टिट्यूट केली 2gh divided by 1 plus k square by r square. Okay, from that find a. 2s जो इथं होता तो आपल्याला पलीकडे शिफ्ट करायचा आहे. That means here 2 into h upon sin theta we have to shift the total term to the RHS, the remaining a acceleration at the LHS. So how we can shift that? Now it will become g sin theta कारण cancellation झालेलं आहे. h will cancel with h and 2 will cancel with 2. So only g sin theta is remaining at the RHS. Okay, so acceleration is equals to g sin theta divided by 1 plus k square by r square. हे डिवाइडच्या टर्म मध्ये काही चेंजेस. So this is the acceleration with which the object is moving along the inclined plane during rolling motion. So for pure sliding means there is not rolling motion, only sliding motion will be there. For that condition without friction the acceleration is g sin theta only and final velocity it is square root of 2gh. So if we consider the case that there is no rolling motion, only sliding of the object will be there. असं होतं कधी कधी की ऑब्जेक्ट रोल व्हायच्या ऐवजी फक्त आहे तसा स्लाइड होत पुढे जातो, पण दिसताना तो ऑब्जेक्ट सर्क्युलर आहे. इट शुड बी रोल बट इट विल नॉट रोल, इट विल ओनली स्लाइड. सो फॉर दॅट कंडिशन द acceleration is only g sin theta and velocity is only square root of 2gh. हे दोन चेंजेस याच्यामध्ये होणार आहेत if there is only sliding motion. Okay, so hope you understand this concept of this rolling on an inclining plane. Okay, if you have any doubt then please comment here. Okay, now see the concept here. the final velocity and acceleration what we have find, that is rolling without sliding चे जे एक्सप्रेशन फॉर्म्युले आपल्याला मिळाले होते वेलॉसिटी आणि एक्सेलरेशन, रोलिंग विदाउट स्लाइडिंग. आणि त्याच्यामध्येच आपण कंडिशन लास्ट स्लाइडमध्ये पुट केलेली आहे की जर स्लाइडिंग होत असेल रोलिंग होत नसेल तर व्हॉट इज द चेंज. ओके, सो इफ दिस पॉइंट इज अबाउट द रोलिंग विदाउट स्लाइडिंग, the same concept we have to derive velocity v is equals to square root 2gh divided by 1 plus k square by r square, and acceleration the final expression. And if only sliding is there, this last slide it is important. Okay. So keep in mind that. Hope you understand this. If you have any doubt, comment here, like our video, share it.